I've had my Lumix GX85 or GX80, whichever you fancy, for just over 2 years now, and I still love it as much as always. This is my love letter to my littlest camera. The GX85 is the camera that more often than not I find myself reaching for. If I'm going out and about, I'm going away for a short break, going out with friends, if I'm walking, doing a photo walk with my dad, I will take my GX85. The reason being is the image quality is bloody brilliant. It's small and easy to pack, and if I need to shoot any video, it's super duper stable. That's something the G7 lacks, unfortunately, and now because I do find that I'm shooting more hybrid, very rarely I'll go out and take photos and not take the odd clip of video. More often than not, because the G7 isn't stabilised, that stays on the shelf, bless it, and my GX85 goes out with me. I am astounded with the image quality that I've got from this little beast. Started off in Malta, where I took it and tested it just with the stock lens, and just with the stock lens, bloody brilliant. And here are some more images and videos that I've taken throughout the year with my baby. I've also used it in a pinch during wedding videography as well. There was one moment in this wedding, Nat and Callum, really lovely day, where all of my main cameras were on tripods ready for the speeches to begin, and suddenly the sun just did amazing things, and I was like, dude, we need to go and get some footage of this. So I grabbed my GX85, took the couple out, and it grades with all my GH5 footage perfectly. It was stabilised, it worked great with the contrasting light. It was great. You know, when you consider I got it for 350 quid, the footage you can get from it is sublime. I'm such a fan. Another thing that I love with the GX85 is how user-friendly it is. My photography business partner, Martin Forrest, who is a fabulous photographer, he shoots Nikon, though no one's perfect, and this year really wants to up his video game. So I've been intermittently loaning him my GX85 for him to take out and, you know, get his head around, with it being stabilised, incognito and small, and me having a plethora of lenses that he can use. It's been an ideal sort of learning situation. His sort of view on it is like, the Nikon was sort of stopping him in a way from learning video because it's not stabilised, it's quite complex, there's no focus peaking, and it just sounds like a nightmare. But with the GX85 he has took it and run with it. If you are looking, or if anyone you know in the family or friends is looking to get into photography or videography, I think it's a perfect sort of proposition. Even now, even though it's a little bit older, because everything has a sell-by date on it now apparently, it's just miraculous. It shoots 4K, it shoots HD 50 frames or 60 frames if you hack it, and it's great. Built like a tank, absolutely adore it. And I just wanted to remind everyone that it's bloody brilliant. You don't have to pay thousands upon thousands of pounds to get a shit-hot camera. And yeah, this is my ode to my GX85. If you are like me and you have a main camera like your GH5 or the S1 or whatever it is you shoot, we do not discriminate here. If you have a main camera, might be a bit bulky, might be too expensive for you to take out on an average day, what is your go-to camera that you take out more often than not? Is there anything like the GX85 that other photographers or beginner photographers should consider? Let us know in the comments, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you very much, and I love you, GX85.